Assalamu alaikum dear students. The topic of today's session is packet switching. So what is packet in fact and what is packet switching in fact? The diagram is showing up to you that we have data and we are dividing the data into 5 different packets. And yes, we are transferring these data packets from different routes. And yes, while we are transferring the data from one location to another location, usually we do call it sender and receiver end. From sender to receiver, I am sending this data and it is being sent in the form of packet. This is our whole data. And what we used to do, we are dividing this data into 5 packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yes, we are sending these packets across the network. So here you can see that rather than traveling the data in a series, we are sending the data through different paths. So it's quite effective in terms of time, in terms of speed, in terms of processing time or processing power, that it's quite easy to send the data effectively by using the packets, right? And every packet has an ID, and when it receives at the destination, we reassemble the packet to retrieve the original message. So let's go through the structure of each packet that is being made from the whole data. Each packet has a header, payload, and a trailer. Okay, Ji. So what is a header? Header contains the information from which source this packet is coming and at which destination it need to arrive. Then sequence number of each packet and size of packet, definitely that what is the size of packet we made. Then we have payload, that is the actual data that packet is containing. And the third thing, we do call it footer as well. Header, footer, and payload. What is footer? Footer is basically giving us the information that this packet has been ended and now this packet has been arrived without an error. Error detection mechanism is also being attached with the packet. So in next classes, definitely we will work on the things or we will discuss the thing that how are we going to switch different packets across the network and what is the advantage of using packet switching or transferring the data in the form of packets. But for today's lesson, it's quite enough to understand this concept that we are dividing the data into the packets for quick transmission. Thank you very much. Keep watching my channel and subscribe it as well.